Hi everyone, so for today's look I'll be using the products that came in my Boxycharm. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe. The first product I'll be trying is the Dr. Branded Pour No More vacuum cleaner. The product dry for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. And I will use the Brow Gel in the color Brown Hair 02 to fill in any spots that I missed. Primer, I'll be using the Dr. Branded Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base Lumiere.
Here we go.
To prime my eyes, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the color Light Ivory. To blend the concealer, I'll be using a mini Real Technique sponge. I'll be using the Profusion's eye palette. For transition, I'll be using the color Hockey. For shimmer, I'll be using the ColourPop Semi Precious, and I'll be using the color Up and Atom. To apply the shimmer, I am using a Vintage Cosmetics brush called Step 3 Go Girl Go. The outer corner, I'll be using the shade called Terracotta. I'll be applying the eyeshadow with a Profusion eyeshadow brush. The wing, I'll be using the black gel liner from the Profusion eye palette, and I'm using a Profusion brush. For lashes, I'll be using Salmon Helen 3D Fur Lashes.
Invincible.
For foundation, I'll be using the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Me. To spread out the foundation, I'll be using the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush. To blend the foundation, I'll be using a damp Real Technique sponge. Then my makeup, I'll be using the Airspun in the color Naturally Natural. contour, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer.
Here we go.
For blush, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the color Hush Blush. For highlight, I'll be using the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow in the color Exposed. Well, this is my first time trying a liquid highlighter and I wasn't sure how I was supposed to apply it. So first off, I tried a brush. It was very intense, so I tried a Real Technique sponge to blend the rest. I'm going to be applying Terracotta under my eye. I'm going to be applying the Butter London mascara. I'm going to be applying the Desi New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick.
Invincible.
Top it off, I'll be applying the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the color Nudist Peach. And this is the final look, so if you all like it, please like and comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.